Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Today our topic is greater than and less than. Let me clear you one thing. If a number is greater than the other number, it open its mouth towards left side. And in less than case, the crocodile mouth opens always towards the right side. Let me tell you this thing according to the story. Once upon a time, there lived a small alligator in a swamp. He was so hungry because all the fish died and animals had run away. Finally, he decided to go to a town where he saw a shop. At one side of the shop, there were 5 pieces of pizza, and at the other side, there is 1 piece of pizza. As the crocodile was so hungry, he opens its mouth towards the more pieces of pizza and eat up all of them. So as this alligator opened its mouth towards the left side, and opened its mouth towards the greater number, we can say that 5 is greater than 1. On the other side of the shop, the alligator saw more eatable items. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eatable items on one side, and on other hand, it saw the 3 items, eatable items. As 3 is less than 8, we all know that 3 is less than 8. The crocodile opened its mouth towards the crocodile opened its mouth towards the greater number, and at the right side of the number. So we can say that 3 is less than 8. Apart from greater than and less than sign, there is another sign, that is equals to. If two numbers are similar, we can say that these two numbers are equal. Let's suppose 6 is equal to 6. 4 is equal to 4, and in our work pack, that is on page number 41, here we have questions. Now 5 is less than 9. We can say that the crocodile mouth will open towards the right side, so we can say that 5 is less than 9. The other question is 4. It is between 4 and 2. We can say that 4 is greater or 2 is greater. 4 is greater. So we can say that 4 is greater than 2. 8. Let's compare 8 and 7. As we all know that 8 is greater than 7. So the crocodile mouth opens towards the left side. The other question is 13 and 15. We have to compare them. Now, as we all know that 13 is smaller or less than 15. So, the crocodile mouth will open towards the right side. So, we can say that 13 is less than 15. These two numbers are equal. So, we put a sign of equals to between them. So, we can say that 9 is equal to 9. 6 and 10. Let's compare 6 and 10. As we all know that 6 is smaller than 10 or less than 10. So the crocodile mouth will open towards the right side. We can say that 6 is less than 10. These two numbers are equal. 12 is equal to 12. Let's compare 4 and 6. As we all know that 4 is smaller or less than 6. So the crocodile mouth will open towards the right side, which means that 4 is smaller than 6. 17 and 4. 17 is a bigger number and 4 is smaller number. So we can say that crocodile mouth will open towards the greater side or towards the left side. So 17 is greater than 4. The last is the comparison between 10 and 11. We know that 10 is smaller or less than 11. So the crocodile mouth will open towards the right side, or we can say that 10 is less than 11. Thank you.